Hello, this is Cheo with another Chit Chat. The Women's Student Veterans of UNM are hosting an event with UNM Libraries today. The lecture and book signing for the Great War and New Mexico Remembrance, World War II documents and veterans' voices will be held today at 4 p.m. I hope you can join us. The latest edition of the Student Affairs Connection newsletter is online. The Fall 2018 edition features summer and fall events hosted by our departments, including the reopening of Smith Plaza and the El Centro celebrating their 50th years on campus. The newsletter can be found on the OSA website. Career Services is hosting a Lobo Networking Night tomorrow from 5:30 to 7 p.m. in the Student Union Building, Ballroom A. Students, this is a great opportunity to network in a more casual setting with over 25 employers. Diplomat of Resident Ken Chavez will also be speaking on the importance of networking. Career Service is also hosting a professional First Impressions workshop in their office tomorrow before the event at 3:30 p.m. Again, take advantage of this opportunity, students. Tomorrow night, I will be speaking at the National Hispanic Cultural Center during their Bilingualism and New Mexico Spanish event. This is a great event and runs from 5 to 7 p.m., and I'm honored to be there with some other speakers discussing the topic. Many of our students are first generation, meaning they are the first in their families to attend a 4-year university and earn a bachelor's degree. The students will be honored at a celebration Friday at noon in the sub-atrium. The celebration marks the 53rd anniversary of the first generation being coined into legislation. Please watch the video with Dawn Blue Sky Hill and other students talking about this event. And finally, Lobos Got Talent is this Friday at 7 p.m. in the sub ballrooms. I always enjoy this event, and I'm honored once again to be serving as a judge. I hope you can make it out to this free event and cheer on our talented Lobos. Until next week, this is Cheo.